how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States, United States, United States, and here click on search and wait for it to load. Then zoom in on the United States. Let's zoom in on the United States here, and let's choose a state or a city. For example, let's choose Pennsylvania, and let's choose a city in here or a town. So here let's choose Pittsburgh, for example. Here let's zoom in on the city, and let's go to the search again, and let's remove the United States, and let's start searching for any type of a small business like auto repair shops, plumbers, gyms, or hair salons. But before that, I'm going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So you are going to offer to create a website for them, and if they already have a website, we are going to check the website and see if the website would need any renovations, and we are going to offer that to them. The second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps, and the third service is managing their social media accounts. So here, let's search for hair salons, for example, and let's see all of the available hair salons in this area. So here we have a lot of profiles that belongs to a lot of small businesses. So guys, in order to choose the perfect business that we can reach out to and the ones with the highest rate of answering to our reaching out or to our calls, or the ones with the highest rate of working with us, make sure always to choose the ones with less than 150 reviews and the ones with no sponsors written in the top of their profile. Like this one here, for example, we have Salon Royal. So here, let's check this profile. Let's scroll down and let's check their website to see if it's up to date or not. So here, this is a very up to date website. As you can see, it's very new, just from the colors, the design, the icons, and the logo as well. Let's check their Instagram and their Facebook as well to see if there is anyone managing these social media accounts or not, so you can see if we are going to offer them our third service, which is managing the social media accounts. So here the logo is present, and from the pictures, it seems, from the posts, it seems like they have someone managing their Instagram. As you can see, these posts are designed by someone working for them. As you can see in here, this is their website, and this is the theme that they have on their website, the colors, same thing. So here they already have someone managing their Instagram, and I would guess that it's the same with their Facebook as well. So here it's exactly the same like their Instagram. So we can't offer them out the first service, which is the website creation. We can't offer them, and we can't offer it to them. And the third service, which is the social media accounts managing, we can't offer it to them as well. So let's scroll down to see if we can offer them our second service, which is removing the 1-star reviews or the bad reviews in general. So here let's scroll down and let's look for those bad reviews. That's what we are going to use in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here let's scroll down until we find a 1-star review or a 2-star review. That also counts as a bad review. So here it is, our first 1-star review. It's from 5 months ago. Instead of doing Brazilian blowout, he did keratin. I was never satisfied. I already buy the product he uses on Amazon. It was complete nonsense. I know the process, I have had done for years, and the products used. It was like a joke for her to try to market me as Brazilian blowout and make a fool of me. Do not go for this procedure. So that is a serious allegation to have on your profile in Google Maps. This bad review could take a lot of clients from you and could result in losing a lot of money. So that is what you can send them in a message. The phrase that I just said about losing money and taking clients from you, and that would help us gain this business owner as our client. So guys, the only job you will need to do is look for these kinds of businesses, the ones with bad reviews or the ones with no website, and then make sure to pitch them the idea that purchasing your service would help them gain more money or level up in their business. So here, as I said, you won't need to, as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service. You just land the client. For example, you can get paid $100 for only removing the bad reviews from this business's profile in Google Maps. Then when you get the money, just go to Fiverr.com, which is a platform that enables you to hire freelancers. So here we are going to, after we get paid from this business owner, we are going to go to Fiverr.com and hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of us. So for example, you are going to hire this freelancer in here for only $25 in order to remove the bad reviews from the profile of this business owner. So that's the procedure, guys, and that's the method in this video. You will only need to apply it to as many profiles as you can, and you will be left with a lot of money in return. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.